Alright, got all the pieces cut out. We're just going to clean up the cuts a little bit, and then it'll be all ready for welding. Alright, we've got all the cuts cleaned up. We got everything square. So we're just going to put down some tack welds. And go from there. Alright, I just went over everything with the square again. Everything is square. So we're gonna put a couple more tack welds on it and then finish welding it up. So as you can see, we've welded it all up. We're going to take a flap disc on an angle grinder now and clean up the metal around it and make everything smoother. So we'll go ahead with this flap disc. Go from there. Alright, so as you can see, got the welds ground down. So now we're gonna attach the two different pieces. So as you can see, all we need to do is mount the legs coming up here and here and over there and there, connecting to the top part. Weld that up, put on the wheels, add the handle, add the bottom plate floor and the top floor, the plate, and then just paint it.